again. This time, yeah, we got some more parts for the V, and there's a little sneak peek, but that's for a different video. Anyways, we got some emblems that we ordered from I don't know his name, from 0FX2GV. All right, he's the one that did my emblems for the vet, in case you guys saw that video. And so he put some custom emblems, made some custom emblems for me, and for the V. So they arrived and we're about to install them. And in case you guys didn't know, we're in Houston, and there was just a big hurricane, so I got the day off today. So I'm kind of just messing around trying to find something to do. Anyways, that's why I'm putting this video together. But anyways, here it is. I'm gonna show y'all real quick what these older emblems look like. That's it right there. That's the one that's gonna get replaced. I taped it already. That's that. So we're out of light. They're in here chilling in the AC. And here's the other one that's gonna get replaced. This right here. So we gotta take this off. I'm gonna wrap this out. It's gonna be looking clean. And she's over there. And man, come on, you can't put that on YouTube. Anyways, we're just to get into this real quick. All right, those are the old ones, and here are the new ones. Y'all let me know what y'all think. All right, so these two are going in the front, fender side. They got the represent Texas right there to the fullest, and then got this custom one in the back to match the red plate on there. So here, let me zoom in so I can see. Bam, there it goes. So we're gonna match that, but that's what it looks like. Put that on there. I'm about to take it off. And all right, for the removal part, we're gonna use fishing string. All right, so we're gonna use a fishing string just to get all this off. And here, I'll show y'all once I'm done removing it. And then I got another little trick to get all the adhesive off as well. Let's go ahead and remove it real quick. So remove this, use the fishing string, put it in there, just move it back and forth, rock it back and forth, and there it goes. It's off, you see? It'll just come off. I already took it all the way off, so the thing's off right there. Thing fell to the bottom. Anyways, so let's go ahead and we're gonna clean off all this adhesive off, just to be able to put the other one, clean all this up real good. Clean all it off. This is what I use right here. It's like a little rubber thing, so it doesn't damage the car, and it removes all the adhesive. This thing works amazing. All right, just put it on your cordless drill and get to town. I'll put all the links on the description below in case you guys are interested in this or trying to figure out an easier way to clean up the adhesive. So I'll put all this in the description below for you guys. See how easy that comes out? Super easy. That's it right there. All right, so that's on right there. I gotta start removing the other ones. What y'all think? All right, guys. In order to remove these, all right, they just have a double-sided tape on there. All right, so they're on there like this. Okay, and what I used to remove it was this. All you gotta do is just start prying on it lightly on this side. So you just start prying on it, just come in. Once you're in, just keep on prying it. And you can also use the heat gun in order to make it a lot easier to come off. All right, then once you're here, just keep on prying it, and this thing just pops out. All right, just pops out like that. You see the adhesive? That's all it is. So what I'm doing to these, I'm actually wrapping them. I'm using the 3M vinyl wrap for trimming. So I did the other one already. And then just clean them off really good. I used the wheel as well. Clean off as much as I could, and then just come back, use a paper towel, and use alcohol just to finish removing all that off, or Goo Gone, whatever you have. I used alcohol, it worked pretty good. All right, so these are off. Now I'm about to start installing the other one, which I already vinyl wrapped. All right, so this one's vinyl wrapped already. This is what I did. In case for you guys that actually been following me for a while, I hate vinyl wrapping. I hate it. It's the worst. Anyways, man, I already vinyl wrapped this thing, and it's not the prettiest, but doing speed limit at night, can't even tell. All right, so what I did, I ended up just putting the paper over it, tucking it in, and using the heat gun to heat this up and kind of blend it in on the corners, which is the hardest part, and then just cut everything and push it all in at the corners. And then here in the center, the way I prepped it, I just pushed it in with the heat gun a little bit, apply some heat, just let it kind of sink in, and then I went all around the edge. See, I had a dull knife, which I already switched out the blade anyways, and just went on in, cut all the corners, and you're gonna have the, make sure all this is really clean, and then you're gonna bring in the new emblem and just stick it on there. All right, here are the new emblems. All right, so let me just see. The person who actually made them for me made it really convenient. He just puts them on this little pad and just ready to go on, pre-cut and everything. All right, so that just goes on there, fits perfectly. Let's just push it in. There it is. Look at that, perfect fit. Just hold it on there for a couple of seconds, and that's it. This fits on there perfectly. I'm gonna clean it off right now. I got some adhesive in my fingers. That's it, look at that. All right, let me just finish this up, finish the other side, and I'll let y'all see the end product.